Well, everyone, Jawtooth here, and today we're in Ironton, Ohio. Ironton, Ohio has a population of 10,749. It's the county seat for Lawrence County, and it sits along the Ohio River about 20 miles northwest of Huntington, Ohio. Well, I filmed a coal train going through here. I had to wait for about 2.5 hours for a coal train to come. Got a really good one, but coal dust came off of it and got all over my shirt, kind of ruined my shirt. Check this video out. Have you ever seen this happen before? It's really windy today, and when it's windy, you don't want to stand next to a coal train. We're going to show you why. Go ahead and start the video, son. Here we go. All right, here we go. Finally got a westbounder coming. Man, been here for 2.5 hours. Here she comes. Wow. Whew. Okay, that's the first for me. I've never seen that happen before. That was obviously a loaded coal train. Man, they were booking. Golly. Coal dust was everywhere. I couldn't even hardly see. Yeah, I've never seen it happen before. Leave a comment below if you've ever seen it happen before. We're in Ironton, Ohio, right alongside the Ohio River here. Wow. Yeah, that was something else. I was glad that train was passed. I kept thinking, get that train out here. I can't see. Got coal dust everywhere. It's probably in my hair and on my clothes. I don't know. Whew-wee. Anyone ever seen that happen before? I can't believe that. That train was booking. And it really kicked up the coal dust.
CSX 3118.
That was incredible.
Yard lead to number 1 track.
Thanks for watching, folks. But wait, there's more. Of course, always is. Well, look at all the black all over my face. My shirt is covered in black. I got all over my face and my hair, my pants. I ruined all my clothes filming that coal train back there. Drove 100 and something miles to film a coal train and get black all over me. So I stopped at McDonald's, got to clean the stuff off. Hope it comes off easy. Then we'll get another train. But wait, there's more. We got another train coming, son. Looks like a coal train. It's booking. Here it comes. This one's eastbound. Boy, is it windy. Wow, that thing was booking. It's going pretty good. You have to reset that radar every time you use it to get an accurate reading on it. I don't know how accurate the thing is, but also After I filmed that first coal train, I had to stop at McDonald's to get that coal dust off of me. Got their sink a little bit black in there. I cleaned it up pretty good though. I didn't leave their sink black. I got most of it up. But I'm gonna have to get home and get a shower. It's all in my hair and everything. Never had that happen before. Of course, I don't see that many coal trains. There ain't that many coal trains left anymore. Had to drive all the way down there almost to West Virginia to get that one. That's where it came from, was West Virginia too. Anyways, thanks for watching everyone. That was pretty cool. This is that closed railroad crossing right here. See? You can't come through here unless you got a key for that lock on the gate. Thanks for watching. Alright, here's something kind of different. Look at this. There's a dam built right here, made out of twigs and mud. Look at the water, how it's all backed up. Got a little dam right there, and then a couple feet lower you've got water here with another little dam. It's mostly mud and sticks right over there. Got two dams holding the water back here. I guess beavers must do this. That is really cool. Look at that. Right next to railroad tracks. Railroad tracks are right there. Look at that. Got the water all backed up right here. Have you ever seen that before? Leave a comment below. I mean, this is probably the best dam I've ever seen that's made by beavers. Ah, but wait, there's more! Of course there always is. Hey there, doggy. What you doing? Huh? Hi, kitty cat. Hi, kitty kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi there. What you doing, kitty? Hi. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty cat. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. Go give me a thumbs up, and if you have time, watch another video. Every view really helps my channel. Helps pay for that gas and helps pay for those shirts. Okay, we'll see you later. Jaw 2000.